Hello everyone, welcome back to Curls for the Culture. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and check out my social media, which will be linked in the description box below. So today I wanted to share with you my basic wash day routine, and the stars of today will be the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repair Shampoo and Deep Conditioner, which is said to be ideal for frizzy, dry, and damaged hair. Urban Hydration is also a Black-owned family business, so I can't wait to share my results with you. Links to these products will be listed below in the description box. Alrighty y'all, so in the beginning, I always prep my hair for cleansing. And as you can see, this day my hair was super dry, which I figured would make a perfect scenario to see how well these two products help to hydrate my hair. So first things first is parting the hair in sections for easier manageability and to apply enough product to saturate the hair. Before every cleanse, I guess you can say my pre-poo is a hot oil treatment. I use a combination of various oils in my hot oil mixture that contain properties that will penetrate the scalp and hair to promote growth and reverse damage to the follicles. I massage the oil in my scalp for a couple of minutes after warming it up to stimulate blood circulation. Then I gently pull the hair apart a few times to release any major tangles I may have. After that, I apply the rest of the oil to my hair all the way down to the ends, and then I braid each section. Hot oil treatments can help improve itchy and flaky scalp, which is something I suffered from greatly since having eczema and psoriasis since I was a kid. But with hot oil treatments, I rarely have any of those issues anymore. So each section I will oil the scalp, massage with the tips of my fingers for a couple of minutes, then oil the strands and gently pull apart for any major tangles and shedded hairs, and then braid the section and move on to the next. So like I said, I'm someone who suffers greatly from very dry skin. So throughout my natural hair care journey, I've came across a lot of different great oils that really work awesome at combating excessive flakiness and dandruff on the scalp. And that goes from typical oils that you find in the kitchen like olive oil and coconut oil to more exotic oils like blueberry seed oil or Kalahari seed oil. So if you are interested in learning about different oils that can help in revitalizing your scalp and combating dry and itchiness, just let me know. So after each section is done, I allow the oil to sit into my hair so it can seep into the strands. I do recommend allowing it to sit at least for 30 minutes, but a lot of times I like to sleep in my oils and cleanse the next day. Alright, so now it's time to cleanse. It's the next day and my hair has absorbed much of the oil. Now since my hair is low porous, I do allow it to soak for a couple of minutes in the water to get my hair really wet and to allow for the cuticle layer to lift so that my product can seep into the hair. So the Urban Hydration Honey Repairing Shampoo contains a lot of great ingredients like honey, vanilla bean extract, ginger, aloe vera, and etc. It's supposed to intensely cleanse the hair while also moisturizing, revitalizing, and strengthening the hair. So this shampoo has a creamy consistency, which is good. It's a good sign for a great moisturizing cleanser. It lathers pretty nicely as well. So with my cleansing process, I massage the cleanser into my scalp, which is my main focus, of course. I do this for a few minutes before rinsing and repeating a second time. I typically do 2 washes just to ensure any buildup or excess oil is removed. Thankfully, since this shampoo is super moisturizing, it doesn't make my hair feel stripped when I rinse it out. So again, when doing my cleansing process, my main focus is my roots. So I do massage the shampoo into my roots for a few minutes, and then I will rinse it out and allow that suds and cleanser to cleanse the rest of my hair. So after I'm done cleansing, I part the section in half to apply a cheap conditioner to help me prep for detangling. I typically use the Suave Almond and Shea conditioner since it's super cheap, it's pretty much available anywhere, and it has a lot of slip. So I work the conditioner in my hair before finger detangling from ends to root. And then I will twist the hair in that section, and then I just repeat and move on to the next. Alright, so this is usually the time when I go ahead and do my shower and I allow the conditioner to literally marinate in my hair. So I take my wide tooth shower comb and then I go ahead and I start detangling my hair with the conditioner using that wide tooth comb. And that just allows to get any tangles that I might have missed while finger detangling. And after it's detangled, I go ahead and rinse it out. And as you can see, my hair it's a little bit more defined than it was before we started this process. And of course, detangling helps, and detangling under running water using a conditioner definitely helps to achieve that. So after I've done all that for this side, I go ahead and braid it on up, and just to get it out of the way, and then I go ahead and start on the other side. So I go ahead and I detangle using the wide tooth comb with the conditioner still in my hair. And then when it's detangled to my liking, I go ahead and I rinse it out under the water. After that section is done, then I go ahead and I braid it on up, and I put it up, and we get ready for the deep conditioning process afterwards. Alright, so now we are out of the shower and it's time to deep condition. And I'm using the Urban Hydration Honey Deep Conditioner, which works in conjunction with the shampoo. So I just unravel the braid and divide that half into another half. And it's just a lot easier to work in sections when applying products. So when it comes to deep conditioning, my main focus is the hair shaft and the ends of my hair. With shampooing, your focus is your roots, getting rid of buildup, but with deep conditioning, you do want to try to put back any moisture that might have been lost during the cleansing process. So I do saturate all of my hair, but my main focus is fairly mid-shaft to ends. And this conditioner is very, very creamy and thick. That's why I preferred to take off the nozzle to try to get it out, because it was kind of hard to pump it out of that nozzle. But it's very creamy, and I do love creamy conditioners for my hair because my hair is also low porous. It really needs something heavy to seep into it oftentimes, especially because it gets so dry so often. And I just work in the conditioner, work it into my hair, and it does a very, very good job of melting any other tangles that I might have accumulated during this cleansing process. And I do some light detangling, and then I put it up and I get ready to do the other side. So I work that conditioner in, and I gently detangle to release any other tangles that I might have missed. So I'm just showing you how my hair looks with the conditioner in it. It's fully saturated. So what I'm going to do now is I am actually going to go ahead and sit under my steamer. So I've been using a steamer for about the past couple of months now, and it's really, really good in helping to further lift the hair cuticles so that whatever nutrients you have in your conditioner, it really gets in there and it does what it needs to do. So I like to pin up my hair, the ends of my hair at the top, so that the steamer has, access to my ends, and I sit under it for about 45 minutes. So these are pics after my steaming process, and my hair was pretty defined and moisturized. Really like the results. This was a few hours later that day, after steaming, and of course my hair shrunk tremendously, and that's because it was super duper moisturized. So the conditioner definitely moisturized and revitalized my hair. And then this is a video of my hair after my conditioner has been rinsed out. And it's super moisturized and also defined, as you can see. So if you like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and I'll check y'all out later. Bye bye.